Hello guys, in this video tutorial I will talk to you about how to create a luxury Shopify website. But before that, I need to tell you something really important. Shopify is going to end their 3-month trial and replace it with 1-month trial. I was advanced to you all to take advantage of this free account and get that extra 60 to 90 days. This wasn't just my information. I have a contact at Shopify who informed me about this early on. They knew I had a YouTube channel, so they thought I would be let the world know in advance. I can reveal their identity for obvious reasons, and I don't want them to get in trouble at Shopify. Some of you found out this from my video and took action to create an account before the change. Now the change is here, so you can get that 3 months free anymore. However, you still have the option to pay one for a 3-day trial or pay one for a month, and then normal monthly fee. If you have signed up to the right time, as per my video, you will have saved about $80. It's not a huge amount, but it's a little help. If you are still interested in joining Shopify, I will leave you a link in the description where you can join for $1 for a month after you 3-day free trial. Now the offer is to sign for a free trial and enjoy your first month for just $1. This is different from the early offer of a 2 weeks free trial followed by one for 3 months. Things change, but I want to remind you that when I put out message about the upcoming change, I'm serious. This is another example of why it's important not to procrastinate. Anyway, let's continue with the video. And well, let's continue. First of all, we click here in the link. This is for a Shopify trial, and we have 1 month for $1. I will explain that before. And well, here we only need to put our email address, and after that, we are here. Well, it is very important that you know that in this tutorial I will show you how to do it. However, I will not do it for you, because if you took a copy paste of what I do in this video, well, you will fail. I assure you that if you do the same as others, why would they buy from you and not from the others? But it's something really important you need to know. Well, I just want you to success. And now let's start with the video. When we are here, basically we need to select a theme. For that, we only need to put here in online store. This takes like 2 or 3 minutes, more or less. First, we need a theme. For that, we go to here and view theme store. I suggest you to buy one theme or select one free. The themes are really important for our Shopify store. And well, here we can sort in price low to high. Why I do this? Because, for example, low to high, the first one are the free one. For example, free. We can select, for example, the spotlight because it's closed, and we basically can modify this the easy way. Or, for example, publisher. This works. For example, I select, and if you want to see a theme and you don't like this theme especially, you are seeing Udemy store. That takes 1 or 2 minutes, and here you can see. If you can put in cell phone mode, and well, that's it. I really like this theme. I only click here in the try theme. It's charging. Does not take too much, really. And here we only need to do one thing. Wait. Well, here we have one thing. Publisher. We put in publish. And now customize. We wait like 3 minutes. Basically here I will teach you the more easy step because, for example, in the channel we have a lot of tutorials and you can see it and know how to modify and how to use this. Basically, for example, here you can change, and in the channel we teach to you how to modify all of this, for example, the color and that other stuff. If you need an inspiration, you need to know your competition. For example, select your niche, and here are a store random on the web. Basically, I only search luxury in Google and that's it, the page. We can see it's really, really good, have a white color, a good name, a good theme, and all that things. It's good. We can learn something about this page, and that we modify our store with that information in mind. But we need something really, really important. Good images and know our niche. For that, we go here in Pinterest Trends. Why Pinterest? Because if you know, Pinterest is famous about that type of clothes. And for example, here, we can search the trend on Pinterest and Pinterest trends, basically. And well, when we know our trending, for that, we only put here, for example, luxury. Well, or other things like that. For example, you can put clothes and clothes for women or aesthetic or design. Well, you select your niche. And don't worry, if your niche is a specific something, don't worry, you only need time for be successful in that niche. But I suggest you, well, basically use the first month's reel for have more time for practice and, well, setting information and prepare basically for your store. For example, here we can search the products in CJ dropshipping. Basically, in the channel, we have a tutorial for how you can do basically dropshipping. If you have your own clothes or your own brand, you can select that brand. Don't worry. But here, for example, European and American fashion print stand collar woolen hood women. It's basically really important. For example, we can do a store basic in this photo or this product specifically. Why I'm saying that? Because if you do a hybrid store or a niche store, it's more easy to sell. Because if you do a big store, you have more products and the persons are looking a lot of things. And maybe if you see a lot of things, you can buy anything. If you see one product and that product it's really, really good present to you, basically you are going to buy it because that person presents to you in a good way. And other things you need to know, it's basically how you can edit this photo. Don't use the basic photo in that product. You need to create your own photo. For example, here in Canva, you only need to go to Doc. Or for example, if you want to create a presentation in a blog or something like that, if you want to create a photo, you only need to go here and create a design. Here you select, for example, here, a logo if you need a logo, a document, a poster, or work. In this case, we only need to select a flyer with that we have. We take the photos here and modify in Canva. You can select here your niche or your photos for practice and know how to do. In the channel, we have a tutorial too for Canva. If you need it, you can use it. Well, here we have the photo, the niche, the clothes, and how to build all. And if you need inspiration for this, you can go here in Pinterest, searching luxury clothes, and here you have reference. You can personalize, creating your own idea, and based in that products, you only need to do one thing, and that's basically personalize. Give your side to the brand. You need to be persistent, and well, in the channel, in the description, you have all the links you need to be successful in Shopify. And that's it, basically all. Thanks for watching and subscribe.